I have an only child for one more month, which is filling me with so many emotions. So I'm going to clean my almost 7-year-old's room, even though I know she's fully capable of doing this herself. I'm trying to soak in every second I can with just her before her brother gets here. I've been oddly emotional this whole pregnancy about her not being my only child anymore. I don't know if that's normal, but we've just been through so much together. Even in pregnancy, I tried to have an abortion 3 times, which is a story for another day. But just her coming into the world, I was so broken and lost, and I do believe she's brought me back to life in so many ways. Then she lost her grandpa, who is her best friend. Navigating that journey together, we have just created such a close bond. I honestly cannot imagine loving another child as much as I love Kenzie, but so many parents say your heart just expands. But are they lying? Do they secretly have a favorite?
Her hair's so pretty, isn't it, Mom?
It's really the unknown of it all and how different our lives will be, even financially. Now you have to think about 2 kids. Like, Kenzie has got a stuffed animal for every event in her life. Like, God bless the parents of multiples, twins, triplets, quads, and beyond. Those are God's toughest soldiers, and thankfully I was not enlisted. And here I am complaining about 2 kids with a 7-year age gap. I think I'll be just fine, but it's okay to have worry and anxiety about what your new life is going to look like, no matter how many kids you have. We never intended to have such a large age gap. Life just kind of slapped me in the face, and I've had to go through a lot mentally in order to feel ready to bring another human into the world. So that does worry me, the age gap. How are they going to navigate life together? Are they going to even like each other? I know they're going to be in such different stages of life. Having a daughter was my biggest dream in life, so these past 7 years have been so fun. Just getting to know her, going on all of our adventures together. I just love her so much. I mean, heck, I definitely have spoiled her, I won't lie. I'm stocking her mini fridge in her room. This child is blessed and she knows it, so I know her world is going to change a little bit, but I think that is the best thing for her. She's going to learn responsibility, how to share, how to just be a more compassionate individual. I don't know where I've intended this voiceover to go, but if you've stuck with me, thank you for listening to all of my thoughts and worries. I'm really excited for this new chapter of our lives, and I think our family will feel so full.